So it's your first day at your brand new internship in Seattle and you're getting ready to go. It's a beautiful day outside and you can't wait to have a great time learning through your interests. That is until you remember one key point. You have to take the bus. Step 1. Don't know where your internship is? That's your first problem. Find the address. Either your mentor will have told you or you can look it up online. Once you've found it, go to the King County Metro Transit Trip Planner website at this URL and type the address into the correct box. I trust you to be able to use the website yourself. If you've used the website correctly, you will have found your first stop, the time the bus arrives, and the bus number. This information is imperative if you want to ride the bus correctly. Step 2. Now it is time to go to the bus stop. Bus stops look like this. Or this. You can check if it is the right stop by looking at the sign or the schedule on the post. You can double check the time your bus is supposed to come on the post schedule, on a paper schedule which you can get in the bus, or on the King County Metro Trip Planner app. We don't recommend the app simply because it is garbage. Sometimes more than one bus route visits the stop. If the number above the windshield on the bus does not match the number you found on the website, do not get on the bus. Tip: if you're feeling nervous, try taking the bus a day or two before your internship with some emotional support. Step 3. Your bus is arriving! How exciting! Make sure the bus driver knows you want to get on by stepping forward and looking at the bus. When stepping onto the bus, say hello to the driver and scan your Orca card on the scanner that says Orca on it. If your Orca card works, a green light will show up and a nice boop will sound. If it doesn't work, a red light will show up and a mean beep beep will sound. If this happens, scan it again. If it doesn't work, scan it again. If it doesn't work again and you have cash, pay the fare of $1.50. If you don't have cash, your ride is up to the driver. They may let you stay on the bus or kick you off. It's not a good situation. Anyway, once you've been let on, continue onto the bus. The bus driver may start driving the bus while you are still standing or looking for a seat. If this happens, please stay standing up and do not try to rapidly lie down on the floor of the bus. Step 4. You are now en route to your stop. Now you can take a deep breath and relax. Everything is okay for now. Step 5. You are now coming up to your next stop. And you know this because the nice lady on the loudspeaker announced the next stop, and the screen in the front of the bus has your stop address displayed. To let the driver know you want to get off at this stop, pull the yellow cord that is hanging on the sides of the bus. It will make a nice ding sound. If it doesn't make a ding sound, that means either you didn't pull it hard enough or someone else has already pulled it. In that case, the screen will display the address of the stop and also the message, "Stop requested," or on older bus models, a stop sign will light up next to the screen. Once you are at your stop, thank the driver, get off the bus, and have a great day at your internship. At least until you have to come home. But wait! We're not done with you yet! Lastly, here are a few do's and don'ts of the bus system. Do be nice to the driver. Say hello and thank you, and just be a generally kind and courteous person. If being a decent human being isn't enough incentive for you to be polite, remember that for however long you're riding the bus, the driver has full control over where you go and what happens to you. Don't be a jerk. Do have common sense. Use headphones, respect the transit and other riders' privacy and property, and pay the right fare if you're not using school-issued Orca cards. Don't eat, litter, drink, smoke, lie down on the seats, or cause safety issues of any kind, including harassing the driver or other passengers. Also, if it's a crowded bus, don't put your bag next to you to prevent anyone from sitting down. Just don't. Thank you, and we hope you've learned enough about this basic task from this video.